Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Miss Yasim. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video, and also personalize the notification bell so that you can always get my videos whenever I post it. Don't also forget to thumbs up the video, share the video, and like it. So today I am doing my magic foot hands dryness and wrinkle repair video. On my video today, this video is going to help you get rid of wrinkles on your hands and on your feet. If you're having aging issues, and there are some young people, their hands are just getting wrinkled, they don't really have a fresh looking hand, their hands doesn't look better, it looks older than their age, and their feet, this video is for you. So I have egg. I'm gonna be using egg white. I'm gonna be using my brown sugar. I'm going to be using my apple cider vinegar, and this is my baking soda, and also my pure organic honey. So let's dive into the video and see what goes up. So guys, I'm just going to go straight into the video. So this is my brown sugar. If you have a powdered groundnutted sugar, you can just go ahead and use, but this is what I have in my kitchen, so I'm just using this. As you can see, I've gotten this into a groundnutted just by mashing it. It's okay now. So if you have a groundnutted brown sugar, it's good. Sugar is a very good exfoliant to clean away dry and dead skin cells. The antibacterial properties in sugar and the glycolic acid in it keeps your skin radiant and healthy. And our next ingredient is baking soda. Like we all know, baking soda has multi-purpose of usage. So as one of the ingredients today in this mixture, baking soda helps in cleaning skin. It gently exfoliates the skin, shrinking large pores and firming up sagging skin. So it is very important for us to add up our baking soda. I'm gonna be adding just a half teaspoonful of our baking soda into the mixture. Like you see, I'm gonna be adding that to our mixture. All right, our next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. This is an amazing ingredient. Apple cider vinegar contains an alpha hydroxyl acid, which helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal healthy new skin cells, leaving your skin soft and exfoliated. It regulates the pH level of your skin. It shrinks the pores on the skin. So open pores on the skin is one of the signs of aging. So this will help you shrink your pores and make the whole area looking smooth and supple. It smooths the area and make it supple. Our next ingredient, honey, is a very good humectant. It helps absorb and retain moisture, which keeps your skin from drying out. Honey speeds up your skin cells healing process. It moisturizes the skin deeply, leaving your skin soft, glowing, and radiant. Also packed with antibacterial properties. These amazing skin benefits of honey cannot be overemphasized. So honey is very important in this our mixture today. as we will have honey as part of the ingredients to make the whole skin goodness worthwhile. So that was just 2 tablespoons. We added 2 tablespoons of honey to our mixture. So up next will be our egg. We'll be adding egg into the mixture. We'll be adding egg white. Egg is very good in shrinking and tightening up pores. The protein in it is very good in firming up sagging skin. So we're going to extract the egg white in the egg. This is how I do mine, very easily. You just crush it out and then try to get the egg white out. It might not just come out all at once depending on the opening you have on the egg, so you have to just give it a little bit patience to make sure the egg white comes out. As you can see, also a little bit of shaking of the egg will enable the egg white to drop out without the egg yolk being involved. So after adding up all these ingredients, you just have to give it a very good stir. Stir everything, mix everything properly together to get it really fine, to get a very nice consistency. So I really have to stir it, mix everything together. Like we saw, all the natural ingredients that has been incorporated into this mixture. You have to mix everything together for So guys, after everything, this is the consistency it has given to me after mixing everything properly. So I'll just go ahead and apply it on my hand generously. So this is how you apply on your hand generously and leave it to dry up on your skin. Apply on your hand and also on your feet, then allow it dry. Let the whole goodness be absorbed into your skin. The honey, the egg whites, the apple cider vinegar, the soda, everything will do its wonders. So please, after everything, you just have to wash it off with cold water, and that is it. It will give you a young, smooth skin, to leave your legs and your hands looking young and smooth, the skin looking fresh.